The real truth about being a 90s kid. We were mischievous but respectful. We were the last generation that grew up without social media. We played outside morning, noon, and night. This was our time to come in. No phones for parents to ring us. We watched what was on television or video. We didn't have the choice of picking anything we wanted. We used our imagination and made games out of anything. We had great fashion. We just knocked on our friends' doors and waited to see if they were in. We had lots of sleepovers. Things were colorful. We had parties that didn't cost a fortune. A takeaway or a meal out was a treat, not the norm. Every picture wasn't Instagram perfect. We had fun with our friends without technology distracting us. You didn't hear about mental health issues. We were just told to stop being soft. We were the last generation to appreciate the little things.